Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. And today I am going to talking about a very useful application. It is called Louie Voice Control. Today is the birthday of Louis Braille. So happy birthday to Louis Braille, and to celebrate this special day I am going to talk about this wonderful application. So let's start the video. The application is now free to use and you can download it from Play Store. The application name is Louie Voice Control, and if you go to Play Store and search Louie Voice Control, you will get the application. Also, I have shared the link into the description of this video and also in our Telegram channel. By the way, if you are not a member of our Telegram channel, just go to Telegram and search Accessible Computing and join us on Telegram. So I'm going to open Play Store. And now I have already downloaded the application.
Open button.
So I am opening this application. With the help of this application, you can access your mobile phone without any touch. Like you can access full of control of your voice. Okay, so
You might also open button.
I'm opening this application.
Uninstall. Louie settings. Turn on
Louie
Louie voice
settings.
control. Select OK to go to accessibility settings and enable Louie voice control. Clicking OK button below will take you to accessibility settings. Image.
Okay, so listen carefully.
Turn on Louie voice control.
So you have
Select
to
OK
open
go
the
to. Clicking OK
turn
button
on
below
the
will take you to
accessibility
accessibility
settings.
Clicking on Louie voice OK button.
Okay, so I'm clicking on OK.
Accessibility. Back
It takes
button.
me to the accessibility settings. I'm swiping from left to right.
Vision. Selected. General.
General.
Vision. Hearing.
Hearing.
Physical.
Physical.
Volume key shortcut. Access. Downloaded. Accessibility menu. Control. Downloaded services.
I'm
5
going
of
to
5.
downloaded services.
Downloaded Louie voice control. Provided by Louie
I'm
voice
going
control.
to Louie voice control.
Louie voice control. Accessibility. When Louie is on. Accessibility. Not tick. Tick box.
It's
One
not
of
check
2.
checkbox, so I'm checking this box.
Tick. Accessibility is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. Here's what apps will be allowed to do. 1 of 3. In list. 3
Okay,
items.
so
Accessibility
here
volume.
is an,
Read all screen content and control screen. Read all screen content and allow displaying items over other apps. 2 of 3.
So here is an accessibility high alert. So Louie voice control can access, can see your content, can changes
Volume
of your
controls hidden.
accessibility. Okay, so you can read this.
Learn your behavior and automate actions. Learn how you use your device and replace your not ticked. Tick box. Out of list.
So as I am using Redmi mobile phone, most of the mobile phone you have got again a checkbox. So check this box and click on
OK button.
OK button.
Louie voice control. Accessibility. Ticked. Tick box. 1 of 2. In list. 2 items. Louie settings. Allow Louie voice control to access your contacts. Allow button. Out of
So
list.
if you want to make a voice call through your voice control, so you have to allow Louie to access your contacts. So I'm allowing.
Allow button. Allow Louie voice control to make and manage phone calls.
Yes.
Allow.
I'm allowing.
Allow Louie voice control to access this device's location. Deny. Allow.
I'm allowing.
Allow Louie voice control to record audio.
Yes.
Allow. Deny. Allow. Louie voice control. Welcome to Louie.
Okay, so welcome to Louie. So by the way, this is the trusted application because I had a conversation with the developer, Mr. Pramit. We have also a webinar in our channel. So I'm trying to give the link in the description below. If you wish, you can watch.
Isn't it amazing that we can control popular apps inside out just with voice commands?
Okay.
Louie supports Gmail, Play Store, Messenger, YouTube, Google Search, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, text messages, call logs and phone calling. Offline mode available for contacts, text messages, SMS, and phone calling.
Okay.
Many more apps coming soon.
Many more apps coming soon. Okay.
Login with Google button.
Login with Google. So I'm logging in with Google, my
Louie
Google.
voice. Google Play Search to continue to ratulbasak. Ratulbasak. Google Play Services.
Personal ID. So I'm
Louie voice
logging
control.
with.
Successfully logged in with Google. Louie voice control. Type your name in the box for Louie to call you by your name.
Okay, so here you need to type your name.
Write your name.
Is
Edit box.
write your name, edit box. So here I need to type my name.
Showing English, India, QWERTY, keyboard, capital R, cap A, T, U, L,
Okay.
L. Louie voice control. Clear edit. You can always next button.
Click on next button.
Hi, welcome to Louie. To use Louie, you just need to give voice commands. Now let's figure out how to use Louie. Just give a quick double shake to your phone and Louie turns on.
Hey Joe, which app would you like to use, Uber or YouTube?
This is the
Did you
demo
notice
of
that?
this application. Okay. I'm not going to tell you the details right now.
Accessibility volume control shown. Swipe up to dismiss. X 28 megabytes. Average rating 4.6 star.
So
Play Store. In-app
reopening the
purchases.
application.
Play Store in Adobe Scan. System UI.
Sorry.
Volume
I
control.
got some problems.
Louie
But
settings.
don't worry.
Where is my Louie setting?
Yes. Louie settings.
Louie settings.
Hi, welcome to Louie. To use Louie, you just need to give voice commands. Now let's figure out how to use.
Okay. So when you have already logged in, already doing everything
Expand. 80%. Accessibility.
in Louie
Expand.
voice control.
IRCTC Rail Connect. Louie voice. Expand. System Louie voice.
So there are two ways: Louie voice settings and Louie voice. So go to Louie voice. Let's see.
Please complete your setup
Louie
first.
settings.
Please complete your setup.
Hi, welcome to Louie. To use Louie, you just need to give voice.
Okay. So I think there is some changes, like you have to listen the tutorial first
Swipe up to
to
dismiss.
use the
Phone. Music. Smart recorder.
Louie voice control. But if you want to know how to use, what is the command, how can you use everything, you are able to know by signing up. And if you have any doubts, any queries regarding this application, you can
Volume
reach out to
control
us. We are definitely help you, because we have the conversation, we have the connection with the developer of this application. Okay, so for a demo you can watch our webinar also. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.